Here are 6 ways to unlock your miracle machine by retraining your subconscious mind. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We are absolutely committed to retraining the mind. This is important. Most people, not you, but most people commit to retraining the mind for a week or 2, or sometimes for a month or 2. And then they just slip and slide right back into old habits, old beliefs, old ideas that kept them broke, kept them out of love, kept them unhappy and unhealthy. So when you retrain your mind to turn it into a miracle machine, the important thing is first, right from the beginning, you need to make a powerful commitment, a positive commitment that you're going to stick with this. Part of success in any endeavor is just showing up. And if you will show up every day with a commitment to your mind, your thoughts, well, what you will attract will be astonishing. It'll be beyond anything you can even imagine. So, retraining your subconscious mind begins with learning some new skills. I'm going to recommend a skill, and we don't have the time in this video to get into it, but I'm going to suggest some books in the description. Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Now, I use a system called Neuro-Linguistic Alchemy, and it's a little bit different than Neuro-Linguistic Programming, but there are so many books. There's a plethora of books and videos and courses on Neuro-Linguistic Programming. You need to learn how to use these skills, how to reframe negative concepts and ideas into positive action, positive energy that will help you take your life to the next level. So look for the list below. The next thing is Shamanic Tapping and Release, the STAR system. Now, unlike EFT, that will have you oftentimes tapping negative stuff, and the idea is that you're tapping it out. The truth is, in my opinion, you are tapping it in. So we don't tap in negative beliefs. We don't affirm negative beliefs. It goes against all the principles and ideas of the law of vibration and the law of attraction. But if it works for you, stay with it. Most people that have experienced our version of shamanic tapping and release are absolutely astonished at how they think differently, how they feel differently, how different results to different actions begin to take place with more flow, with more ease. So I urge you to look at some of our videos on shamanic tapping and release, and we will be producing more of them in the very, very near future on a variety of different topics and subjects. The third is what I call miracle mind hypnosis. Now, this all falls under the category of retraining your subconscious mind. Miracle mind hypnosis, or miracle hypnosis as we call it, is designed to help you experience what almost seems like miracles in your life. What's really happening is you're retraining your brain. You're retraining your mind. And by retraining your brain, retraining your mind, you connect to the infinite field of potential with greater potency and power. And that means you begin to attract the love that you crave, the money you desire, the health that you need. Things just seem to fall into place. If you have excess pounds, they just seem to melt off your body. If you are running into financial blocks, the blocks just seem to dissolve and you walk right on through to the other side where there's all the prosperity and abundance you deserve and desire. So I'm going to give you an address right now. It is lawofattractionsolutions.com/miracle mind. That is lawofattractionsolutions.com/miracle mind. By going to this address, I'm going to give you free, no charge, no obligation. I'm giving you a free MP3 that is designed to empower your life, to bring you more abundance, to help you with your love life, to help you with your vitality and your energy. It's a MP3. You can just listen to it every day. I urge you to listen to it for 28 days. 28 days in a row. It's yours. You can listen to it anytime you'd like because you'll own it. And it's free. Go to lawofattractionsolutions.com/miracle mind. High flyers, the second way to really begin to retrain your mind is to express positivity all the time and express it to everyone you meet. Get in the habit of catching other people using negative phrases and rewrite them in your mind, if nothing else, or share it with them. Say, hey, have you ever thought of it this way? The more you begin to express positivity, the better you're going to feel. And guess what? The world around you will feel better too. The third method, of course, is to focus on your passions. Oh yeah. Focus on your passions. Focus on what really drives you, what really excites you, what really gets you up in the morning and keeps you going all day and makes you want to stay up all night. Focus on your passions and you will begin to unlock your miracle mind machine, and you'll start to see all kinds of wonderful things happening in your life, especially in the area of business. I mean, if you're in business, if you're into wealth accumulation, by focusing on your passions, you're releasing all that positive energy from your subconscious mind, and it makes a huge difference on your ability to attract what you truly desire. Number 4 is get in the habit. Look, it's a new year. Get in the habit of eating clean. Eat more greens. Eat more vegetables. Eat more fruit. But, caveat, stay away from the GMO. Stay away from the non-organic. You don't want to put all that pesticide stuff into your body. Eat clean, drink clean water, and move your body. I mean, do those, what did Jack LaLanne, he used to say, do those exercises all the time, right? Get your body moving. Whether it's in the morning, whether it's a walk, a swim, when your body's moving, when you're fired up, when you're filled with passion and you're eating clean, everything is beautiful. Number 5 is to reward yourself with what you love. Okay, look at, maybe you love chocolate. So once a week, you're going to have a piece of chocolate. Now, it's not the best food to eat, and if you eat chocolate that is high in sugar, that's probably going to give you a rush and a crash. It's not the best thing to eat, but once a week, you can reward yourself with some good dark chocolate. That's what we used. We use dark chocolate in our house. But What is it that you love? Do you love hiking? Get out there and hike. Do you love swimming? Get out there and swim. Do you love boating? Get out there and boat. Stop putting off the stuff you love. What are you putting it off for? I mean, really? When you do things that you love and you intersperse those with the things that you feel like you need to do or must do or get to do or want to do or desire to do. When you do the things that you love, it just gives you so much energy to do everything else in your life. And you just feel renewed. You feel excited. I know when I have a great weekend and we go traveling or we do something and we come back, I'm fired up on Monday morning. I'm excited because I've relaxed myself. I've relaxed my body and my mind. Do what you love. And number 6, turn negatives into positive. Every time you see a negative, turn it into a positive. Write it down. Write down the negative thought and rewrite it into a positive thought. The more you can get in the habit of turning negatives into positives, the more you are rewiring your love-attracting, money-making miracle machine called your subconscious mind. So there's some great ideas, and again, I'll have the list down below, but go to lawofattractionsolutions.com/miracle mind and claim your free MP3 hypnosis program right now. It's free for you. Okay? Have a great day now because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye.